air fryer toast. We are going to show you different ways that you can use an air fryer to cook toast. Fantastic for getting rid of your toaster and having one less kitchen gadget at home in your kitchen. And it's ideal for when you want something simple to start with in your air fryer journey. Have you tried the air fryer free mini course? Are you new to the air fryer? Let me introduce you to our 5-day free quick start mini course. It answers a lot of beginner air fryer questions, gives you simple air fryer recipes to follow, and helps you get confident with your air fryer. You can get it for free at recipethis.com/ebooks or search recipethis.com for air fryer mini course. So to demonstrate toast in the air fryer, it doesn't get any better than Warburton's toasty bread. Absolutely love this. And what we do is we throw it in the freezer for when we need it. You can actually cook a toast in the air fryer from frozen. There's no need to wait until it's thawed out, or you can do it thawed, whichever you prefer. It's also ideal if you're just cooking for 1 or 2 people, because then you can just grab a slice when you need it from the freezer, and there's no need to worry about mouldy bread. So let's get some bread out, shall we? I'm going with ones that are easy to kind of separate. You'll find some that are like that, where they're really stuck together, but they're quite easy to get apart if you need to. So see, I've got 4 frozen slices of bread, and then they're ready to go in the air fryer. So I'm using my power air fryer oven. Not my favourite air fryer, but I've had it for a while and it's alright, I suppose. So then you want to get it onto an appropriate shelf, and then you can close the door and get it going. So you want to set the temperature to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and so get the temperature up to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and then you want the cook time all the way down to 4 minutes. I recommend a 1-minute preheat and 3-minute cook time, or go straight in with the 4 minutes. So it's flicked to off and we're just waiting for the air fryer oven to finish, and then we can check on our toast. It does take a while to get going though. Oh, there we go, we've beeped. So let's check on our toast, shall we? Whoa, that's not crispy enough for me, so I'm going to put it on for a bit longer. Let's do it on the other side, and this time we're going to go a bit higher. So back on it goes. Don't worry, we've got a better way to show you shortly, where it's much crispier. It beeps. So let's check on our toast, shall we? And there you have it. So my favourite topping is Philadelphia cream cheese on my toast. Dominic, of course, will argue that nothing's better than butter, but we all have our own personal opinion of how we love our toast for breakfast. So there you have it, perfect air fryer oven toast. And then slice it up and have it however you like it. So the second method is to use an air fryer crisplid from within your Instant Pot. The thing about this method is that the melty crisplid that we're using today gets so much hotter in the temperature department compared to a normal air fryer oven or air fryer basket, so it makes it perfect for making toast in. So what you do is you place a slice of toast in your air fryer, place your lid on, and then you want to set the time to 4 minutes and the temperature to 260 Celsius. The thing about this is that a normal air fryer only goes to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, but this one goes much hotter, so it's perfect, like I was saying, for toast. And then you just press play. And it's baked. It's done its 4 minutes, so let's check on it, shall we? Wow, that toast is absolutely perfect. Let's have a closer look at it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Just for some quick toast using the melty crisplid. So as you can see, this is how it looks after being toasted with the melty crisplid. So this slice is going to be for Dominic, because he absolutely hates it if I ever give him toast that's not buttered. You know, that saying, isn't it? Everything tastes better if it's got butter on. So you have it. If I was to choose one air fryer that does the best toast, I would actually say the melty crisplid. I'm not the biggest fan of the melty crisplid because I don't think it does a good job, and it certainly doesn't replace the air fryer. But what it has that other air fryers lack is a much higher temperature, making it ideal for toast. So another way to do air fry toast is to use a traditional air fryer basket. You could do one slice like this, or you could fit in a couple of slices like that. The best way that I've actually found is the video I've just shown you, where we've used the melty crisplid. But an air fryer basket is also a great alternative. So you can put it in, turn the air fryer on, get the temperature up to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and then crack on with a cook time of 4 minutes, because then you can see how it's coming along. And then press start. And we've baked. Let's check on the toast, shall we? So as you can see, it's still pretty pale, but on texture you can feel that it's toasting up nicely. So we're just going to do the same cook time again, but on the other side, because unlike with the melty crisplid, which is much hotter, the air fryer basket doesn't get as hot, so it kind of needs both sides doing to achieve the perfect toast. So the great thing about the Philips is it's already got its temperature, it's already got its time, so you're just pressing start again. And we've baked. Let's check on our toast. Wow! Oh my god! You know, seriously, the crisp on that is amazing. So as you can see from the close-up, that is absolutely perfect air fryer toast. Yes, it takes much longer to do it in an air fryer basket and an air fryer oven, because you probably want to do both sides rather than just one side for your toast to be perfect compared to a toaster. Or you can go in with your melty crisplid, and with the melty crisplid it's just amazing because it gets hotter. You know, if you were going to get rid of some of your gadgets, just think that now you've got an air fryer, you can ditch the toaster and simply use the air fryer basket instead. And don't forget to go to recipethis.com and search toast, because we also have recipes there showing you how to do the toasted bagel, pizza toast, which is literally where you're covering your toast with pizza toppings, which is heavenly, and there's a few other ideas over there too. So let's get making toast in air fryer, shall we all? So before you go off and make some toast, let me show you a quick air fryer hack. If you want to make sandwiches and your bread is completely frozen, like these slices here, you can simply place it in the air fry basket. Maybe you could do up to 4 slices at once, and then cook it for 1 minute, 160 Celsius, 320 Fahrenheit, and you have perfect bread for sandwiches. Today's recipe is all part of one of our themes that we're running at the moment. It's called 12 Idiot-Proof Air Fryer Recipes. Not my choice of title, but one of my readers asked me for air fryer recipes that were idiot-proof, that was so simple that a child could do them, and that's what today's recipes are about. The reason we run themes on our YouTube channel is so that we can focus on a certain type of cooking. You can scroll through our videos and then see which one best applies to you, and then you can pick and choose which ones of our air fryer recipes you are going to recreate at home. Thanks so much for watching. We would love it if you joined the Recipe This family. You can get as involved as you like. You're welcome to follow us on Facebook or Pinterest. Join our Facebook groups, we have 2. Join our Kitchen Gadgets newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to ding the bell for instant notifications. Or check out our podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets and is a great way to listen along as we talk about the magic of cooking with kitchen gadgets. Even better, if you head over to recipethis.com, you'll find more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes. Think air fryer, instant pot, soup maker, slow cooker, bread maker, and more.